I do think that both Australian and Canadian companies are at the lead of technology development in mining. I think there is in both countries an embracement of the idea of having all people get involved. I know that Canada is working very hard on increasing the diversity of people involved in mining, and I'm seeing that happen in Australia too. So that diversity brings acceptance of new technologies and the ability to do things in a smarter way. I see both Canadian and Australian companies embracing the use of modeling and data and predictive analytics as part of the new way that they do business. And so I'm seeing from both sides of the puddle an embracement of, technology for a more sustainable resource sector. Well, in fact, I do see that in some Canadian companies, women are heavily recruited as truck drivers in mines, because when you're driving a very, very expensive, multi-million-dollar piece of equipment, you want someone to drive it carefully and safely and productively. And having 35-year-old mothers of kids who drive their kids safely will also drive the truck safely. So the example at the Highland Valley Copper Mill in British Columbia, where they have gone out and recruited women, and they're very, very successful, and they've also put in support so that they can nurse their kids, come back from maternity leave, all of those things. And that's really fantastic. And I think that's the way mining and resource sector opens up. I think there's a lot of hunger for bringing in people with a diverse range of abilities and skill sets. So it's coming. Maybe we don't have enough women truck drivers now, but that is changing. Well, this has been a fantastic event to just get to connect with other people in the sector, exchange ideas, talk to people about the engineering of the future workforce that we're developing, and getting ideas about how to collaborate as we produce talent and ideas for the industry. How do we collaborate well with them and produce the engineer of the future and the technological invention of the future that's going to support this industry? So it's just been fantastic. Everybody here, I understand it's the biggest mining conference in the world, and that's in Australia, okay? The biggest mining conference in Australia, that's absolutely fantastic. And it's just been really great, especially as someone who's a bit new to Australia, to meet everybody in the industry is fantastic.